Great to have a chance to see you. I really enjoyed your talk about Mars exploration. And one of the things here at AAPG, as I travel around and I talk to people, they like to be involved. A lot of our younger professionals really are excited about solving problems using a lot of computing power, using a lot of technology. And in your business, you're doing it, and you're not only doing it, but you're doing it remotely. So I just was curious, what have your experiences been here in the conference the last couple of days? What are some of the things you've heard, things that you've been interested about?
I've heard some great science in the conference the last couple of days, and it's really been exciting to me to hear, similar to what you just said, but the excitement that people have for exploration on Earth and on Mars, as I've been able to talk to a lot of people about my work on Mars, and they've related their similar experiences kind of exploring on Earth and the thrill of the discovery of wells and kind of being able to understand the subsurface of the Earth and the record of past surfaces, past environments. So I've really enjoyed kind of getting to chat with some people about their experiences in exploration and how we can inspire each other and kind of go back and forth. Certainly my work on Mars is entirely informed by what we've done on Earth and our understanding of the rocks here. And a lot of people here have been saying that, understanding a little bit of how this applies to Mars and how this applies to other planets inspires them to think about new questions of how do we kind of integrate these discoveries and integrate these different pieces of understanding that we can gain into our work and into the way that we approach problems. So it's been really fun for me.
So I have a t-shirt that says "Never Stop Exploring," and you talked about how exploration inspires, and I've heard so many positive comments about they just love the graphics that you showed and the landing, and everyone's heart stops when the thing is about to land, and then it has this little parachute deployment system, and it's like, is it going to work? And then it does, and then everyone just goes, wow. And the sedimentology, you showed some really great images. I think that really connected with people because they're used to thinking about sedimentology, and here you were showing bed forms that were like 3.8 million years old, perfectly preserved, and I thought that was really, really super stunning. So, wow.
Yeah, well, I certainly think that, just the images, the excitement of the real scenes on Mars, the real pictures on Earth, and then the way that we've been able to understand how those relate to those past environments, whether from 3.8 billion years ago or much more recent that we're typically looking at on Earth. It's definitely inspiring to just get the chance to see things that no one's seen before.
So you really hit the mark when the topic was exploration that inspires. So I wanted to thank you for being here. I wanted to thank you for participating in the AAPG conference, and I hope that you'll come back and participate in more conferences with AAPG, and look forward to seeing you in Houston.
Thanks. It's been a great meeting.
Thank you, Kristen.